Rubik's Cube, Episode 1. Solving a daisy. First thing, before solving a daisy, you got to know your Rubik's Cube. So here's the Rubik's Cube. We have the front, the back, the right, the left, up, and the lower. So first thing is to create a daisy. First, scramble your cube. And now, when we have the white corner first, we need to solve the white corner first. But we have to solve a daisy. So you know what's a daisy? If a yellow corner is in here, and the white is at the opposite, then you turn the left twice, one, twice. So here you have three sides of the white, and so you need the fourth side. Here have a white in the middle there, and here have an orange, so you need to turn it over. So you just need to turn right. So here you have the daisy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move on to the next episode.